Good morning, John Dow, the Conversation Coach here, and I just had a client session that had a quick question that I thought would be applicable to the rest of you as well. It's English focused. Let's talk about it. So their question was, is it I said or I told? And let's try to keep it really simple, because if you add prepositions afterwards, that's when you get more exceptions or more complications. But look at it this way. If you said, I said X, that's okay. If you said, I told them X, I told her X, I told him X, that's okay. But it's not okay to say, I said them. Just make sure that I said them is not part of your vocabulary. So, I said, sure. I told them, sure. I said them, sure. No, don't do that one, okay? Any questions, comments, you let me know. If you like this video, be sure to actually like this video. And if you have any future requests, you can tweet me at COMMDAO, ComDAO, let's talk.